Hi, today we're replacing AC heater valve for the E-Class of Mercedes. You can see this one is a broken one. You can see right through it, so that's why the heat was coming out of the back seat area, and meantime you're getting the AC. When you are operating the AC on the car, you see this is a new one, is a block. You can see through that. The other one, the broken one, the valve is open. So this is the one we're gonna put it in. In the meantime, to get it out, first of all, you gotta take the wipers, both sides, and the motor, and the cover out of the windshield, okay? Those are the 13 millimeter, okay? Yes, these are the old 13 millimeter. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, totally like a 13 millimeter, that kind of bolt, okay? It's located, and this is the valve with the new one gonna go in and click on. This is the connector right here, okay? And this is the phone line to the engine part, okay? Basically it's a 3 clip and plug that. So get this in, and the seal cover is right here. After you do all that, then put the windshield wiper motor in, okay? Then the wiper. So we are showing the installation, and this is how we're gonna do it. And this is the one. Gonna put the cover over it. Okay. This is the cover. Go in right here. Okay. There we go. Go right in there. Okay. Yes. Okay. And the valve gonna come in. The valve. Right here, okay, and go through that hole first, okay, then you connect this one and connect the 2 back one right there. This is the one, so we're gonna move this in front of it and push it in and put the clip in, and also the connector 2 back one. Then connect the wire, and this is the hose, coolant hose from this side, okay, and this is the drain from the windshield, okay, cover. That's it. Nothing fancy. It's a very straightforward job, okay, but it might take you, don't take everything apart to install this, everything. I give it take about a little bit over an hour or something, but it's a lot of fun. Thank you for watching.